Welcome to this heart-opening meditation focusing on deserving relationships based on equality, integrity, and compassion. Let's begin this journey together by creating space for genuine connection with ourselves and our deepest truths. Whether this is your first meditation or your thousandth, you belong here exactly as you are. Find a comfortable position where you can rest easily, whether sitting or lying down. Allow your body to settle into this moment. Take a gentle breath and set an intention to be fully present with whatever arises. We're creating a safe space within ourselves, a place where we can explore what it means to truly deserve loving, equal relationships. This session will guide you through connecting with your inherent worth and the wisdom that already lives within you. Simply allow yourself to be here, breathing, open to whatever emerges. Begin by bringing your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm without trying to change anything. Feel the breath moving in and out of your body, like waves on a shore, constant and reliable. As you breathe, let your awareness expand to include your whole body. Notice where you feel tense or tight. Send a gentle breath to those places. Notice where you feel open and relaxed. Simply observe without judgment. Now bring to mind the words we'll be working with today. I deserve relationships based on equality, integrity, and compassion. Let these words rest in your awareness like seeds planted in fertile ground. As you continue breathing naturally, begin to explore what equality means in your relationships. Think of a time when you felt truly seen and valued for who you are. Perhaps it was with a friend, family member, or even in a brief encounter with a stranger. Feel that sense of balance, where neither person was above or below the other, where both voices mattered equally, where there was space for both to be authentic. Breathe into this feeling. Let it fill your chest, your heart, your entire being. This is your birthright. This equality is not something you need to earn or prove yourself worthy of. It simply is. If doubts arise, if voices tell you that you ask for too much or deserve too little, simply notice them with kindness. These voices are old patterns, not truths. Breathe with them gently and return to the knowing that lives deeper than these surface thoughts. Now, let's explore integrity in relationships. Bring to mind what it feels like when someone is completely honest with you, when their words match their actions, when they show up as they truly are. Feel the relief in your body when you don't have to guess what someone really means. Notice the peace that comes when there's no pretending, no masks, no hidden agendas. This is what you deserve: complete honesty and authenticity. And this is also what you can offer. Take a moment to appreciate your own integrity, your own commitment to truth. Breathe into this space of genuine connection. Notice how your body feels when you imagine being surrounded by people who value truth as much as you do. This isn't asking too much. This is asking for what creates real intimacy and trust. Let any old beliefs about settling for less than honesty dissolve with each exhale. You are worthy of relationships where truth is honored and cherished. Now we turn to compassion, the quality that transforms ordinary relationships into something sacred. Think of someone who has shown you true compassion, who has seen your struggles and responded with understanding rather than judgment. Feel the warmth of that compassion in your heart. Notice how it allowed you to be vulnerable, to be human, to make mistakes without being cast aside. This compassion you experienced is also within you. It's your natural response when your heart is open. And it's what you deserve to receive from others consistently, not just in crisis moments, but in the ordinary interactions of daily life. Place your hand on your heart if it feels right. Feel the warmth there. This is your capacity for both giving and receiving compassion. It's unlimited. It doesn't run out when you share it. Breathe with the knowing that you deserve gentleness from others, just as you offer gentleness to those you care about. You deserve patience, understanding, and kindness as your baseline, not as rare gifts. Now, bring all three qualities together: equality, integrity, and compassion. Let them weave together in your awareness, like three streams joining to form a river. This is the quality of relationship you deserve. Not someday when you're perfect, but right now, exactly as you are. These aren't luxuries or bonuses. They're the foundation of genuine human connection. Take a moment to feel what it would be like to live surrounded by relationships of this quality. How would your days feel different? How would you move through the world? What would you stop tolerating? What would you start celebrating? Rest in this vision not as fantasy, but as possibility. These relationships exist. They're not rare miracles, but natural outcomes when we know our worth and act from that knowing. As we begin to close, let's speak our truth together. Silently or aloud, let these words resonate through your entire being. I deserve relationships based on equality, integrity, and compassion. Say it again, feeling the truth of it in your bones. I deserve relationships based on equality, integrity, and compassion. One more time, with complete conviction. I deserve relationships based on equality, integrity, and compassion. Let this truth settle into every cell of your body. You are not asking for too much. You are simply claiming what is already yours by virtue of being human. As you prepare to return to your day, carry this knowing with you. The quality of relationship you deserve isn't negotiable. It's not dependent on your achievements, your appearance, or your past mistakes. When you encounter relationships that fall short of equality, integrity, and compassion, you now have a clear compass. You can choose to stay and work toward these qualities where there's genuine willingness, or you can choose to seek connections that already honor these values. Trust the wisdom that lives within you. Trust your ability to recognize and create relationships of depth and authenticity. Trust that you deserve nothing less than love that sees you clearly and celebrates who you are. The clarity you've touched today is always available to you. Return to your breath, return to your heart, return to this truth whenever you need reminding. I wish you relationships that honor the beauty of who you are. Stay mindful, friends.